Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. Today is another cooking episode and we will be making garlic chili oil, or we can also use this as sauce for the siomai. We will need 10 cloves garlic, 10 hot chili, red or green, pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, 1/2 cup olive oil or vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Direction: place all ingredients in a food processor or a blender. Press the high speed until all ingredients turns into a thick paste. Pour the thick paste on a non-stick pan and cook on a high heat until golden brown. Let it cool and transfer it into a serving plate or store it into a small container. Best for siomai. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time. Bye.